How to fix a Wi-Fi connection but no internet access in browser. There could be various reasons why Wi-Fi is connected but no internet access in the browser. Some of them could be due to DNS problems, IP conflict problems, router problems, etc. Let's look at how to fix them. Go to search and type CMD and right-click on CMD from search list and click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes if you get a pop-up. Here type ipconfig/flushdns as shown here, and press Enter. This will flush the DNS cache, which is a temporary store of DNS records. Sometimes DNS cache can be corrupted and this can prevent websites from accessing. Now type ipconfig/release and press Enter. This will release your current IP address and refresh DHCP lease. If there is problem with internet connection, then this can fix the problem. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. This will renew your IP address and DHCP lease. It requests new IP address from your DHCP server. Next type root/f and press Enter. Executing this command will result in the clearing of the routing table, leading to the removal of all its entries, including the default gateway. Next type netsh winsock reset catalog and press Enter. It is a database of network configuration information, and resetting it can resolve internet connection issues. I request you to restart computer at last. Next type netsh int ip reset.log and press Enter. This will reset TCP IP stack to its default installation state. If you get access denied like this, follow these steps. Go to search and type registry and select registry editor from list. Expand key local machine. Expand system. Expand current control set. Expand control folder. Expand NSI folder. Expand following GUID folder. Right-click on folder name 26 and select permission. Select Everyone group and give the full control permission as shown here. Click on Apply and then OK. Next close the registry editor. Now come the registry and use the same command again. So, we get a success message for resetting TCP IP stack. Now restart your computer. You must be able to connect internet in your browser. If this does not work, then try restarting your router, check cable and try using different network. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.